Hi everyone, my name is Giuliano. In this video I'll show you how you can create nice presentation in PowerPoint across the animation Zoom. But before to jump in, please subscribe to my channel to stay updated with my next video. Okay, let's go. Here I am on my PC. I already opened a presentation. I'm working on it because next 28 May I'll be speaker in this conference, Microsoft 365 Virtual Marathon, 2 days of conference. It will be totally virtual, and it is an amazing conference. So for this video tutorial, I'll show you how I implemented the Zoom navigation for my slide deck. Let me jump now directly on the agenda. I prepared here 4 points that I'll touch in my speech. So let me jump now on the presentation of this slide specifically. I'll show you now what is the Zoom animation. I am now on this first topic. I want to start to talk about it, so I can just click on it and then boom, directly I jump on a first slide. Then I have a second one, there is a third one, and so on. I have some slides here in order to discuss about this topic. Then I will show a demo, and when I completed this topic, I can go back to the agenda. Then I can go forward with the second topic, issue with guests. Also here I have some slides to present. I'll go forward, great picture, and then I am again on the agenda. So I will now start to talk about the third point, and we have other slides here. Microsoft 365, Microsoft Graph, what is Microsoft Graph, and so on. And finally, I can start to talk about the last one, which is conclusions. I have two slides here, and then I am again on the agenda. This is the Zoom animation. Now let me exit from this presentation, and I want to prepare with you together a new presentation from scratch, blank presentation, and I'll show you immediately how you can implement this Zoom animation. Okay, let me delete this one. Let me create a new one. I want to have a title and content here. Let's type agenda. So then we can start to design our, let me remove this text box, we don't need. I will add a text box here, and I will type in first point. Then in order to go forward fastly, I will create another point again. I will rename all these points. Let's type point 2. Point 1. Point 3. And the last one, point 4. Okay, now I have my text box. I will select all these text box, and I want to apply a fill here for this text box. I can go on shape format, and we can select this black format. I think it's fine. we can also open the panel here in order to apply transparency. For example, we can type 50%. The same for the other text box. So now I have this 4 text box ready to go. I can create now and add a new shape. I will add this oval ellipsis. Now if you keep pressed Shift, you will create a perfect circle. And now I will do the same for the other. We have to create a better distance. Let's move again a little bit down this one, and this other point. So now I want to add an icon inside this shape. You can click here on Insert and then Icons. Let's pick up this one. It's quite nice. Then again, I will pick up randomly these 3 other icons. I will put alien as a second point, then the reminder, and finally the fireflight. Okay, here we go. We have now this this agenda with several points here defined and icons. Now let me create additional slides here. I will add simple slides. Slide 1 for the sake of the tutorial. I think it's enough. Slide 2, and so on. We want to create several slides here. So now it's very important that when you create your PowerPoint slide deck, you make use of add section. I think it's a good practice. And I will type in now section 1. You have to click between the slide and then you can add another section. Section 2. Then section 3. And I will create the last one, section 4. Okay. We have now divided the slide deck in sections. Under links, now you have the possibility to add the zoom animation here. And now I will add this one, section zoom, because I divided my slide deck in sections. So if I click here, I have the possibility to select the section that I want to add in the zoom animation. And I'll click on Insert, and here we go. I have all these 4 sections here. Now I will move a little bit this, and I'll show you now how it works, the effect. So if I click on this one, I can jump directly on the 1, 2, 3. The same if I click here, 4, 5. And again here, the same. Okay, now we have to use this kind of zoom navigation applied to these points here. In order to do that, you have to select all this icon and shapes and text and create a group and create only one element. Let me reduce now a little bit the icon here, the reminder as well, the R flight. Okay, so now I select the image and not this one, text icon, Ctrl G, and I group it the first one. I can Ctrl G, group it also this, Ctrl G again, and the last one is grouped. So now that I created a single element for every topics, I can save, right click on it. Let me select the right element, then save as a picture. I will click on it, we replace the existing one. So then again, right click, save as a picture. This is the 2. Save as a picture 3. And finally 4. Okay, now we are ready to go, but I will delete this now and I will move this zoom section element that I created here, and I'll show you in some seconds what you have to do here. Now that I selected this first one, I have to click on the pivot zoom, then return to zoom, and zoom transition should be selected. And here I can click change image. Now from file I can pick up the image that I previously saved. So then we have this first one, then I will change this one for the second, finally the third one, and the last one. Okay, now I created the button to start a zoom navigation. Okay, I will create something like that. Okay, now if I start the presentation, I have the possibility to jump on the first slide, on the second, then on this one, 5, 6, and then last 3 slides. So this is how you can easily implement the zoom animation on your PowerPoint. Alright, that was a quick tutorial how to create nice animation on PowerPoint across Zoom. If you enjoyed the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with my next videos. Put a comment down below if you want to see me cover other topics in the future. I hope to see you next time. Bye.